Hi, I would like to show how to replace Volkswagen Tiguan. My car is 2019. It's hard to replace like this position. We have to leaning against the car and not much space. Hard to slide out this one. I will insert the key and turn, but please don't start the engine and switch turn back and press the wiper button down and see the wiper stays like this position. This is way easier to replace. See, like here, way easier. Then you can pull this on and ready to replace. I'll press this button and slide out. And I bought this product at the Canadian Tire, and this one has many different pieces. But for my car TL4A, this one works. So I have to put this piece first and put new wiper until you can hear some click sound, and that's it. So you pull this one back like this one, and way easier to work here. You don't have to lean and and maybe this metal piece can crack the windshield. So it's way easier to work. And then I'll show how this wiper goes back to the position. Put the key and turn, but please don't start. And choose the wiper, push up to intermittent, and see the wiper goes down and it's done.